Hello friends, welcome to Price Action with Prashant. I am Dr. Prashant Parate. Today we are going to see chart of Adani Enterprises on 15-minute time frame. I believe that for trading luck is important, but luck means logic, understanding, clinical skill and knowledge. If we have these four things, then we can be successful in doing anything. I have developed this tape reading toolkit which gives us areas of selling and buying, and there are many other things, but right now our focus is on selling areas and buying areas. When the trend is down, new selling areas appear. Here we can see this is a fresh selling area, this is another fresh selling area, and this is latest fresh selling area. So these fresh selling areas are appearing and there is no latest buying area. These are old buying areas. One is originating here, second buying area originated here. So from this buying area there was buying and it went up. Again there was buying area from where there was buying and prices went up. Now as prices fell down here, we have fresh selling area, then another fresh selling area and third fresh selling area. Therefore on right of this vertical line, sellers are dominant and we should not buy till fresh buying starts and old selling area disappears. So we will wait till this selling area disappears and new buying area appears here. So let us see what happens. First I will remove all the markings. From old buying areas there is some reaction, price went up to CHOCH but reacted. Old buying areas giving some support. Now we can see there is new selling area which was appearing, but as price did not close below this buying area, it did not remain. So closing is important, and here we can see price has closed below previous buying areas, therefore new selling area has appeared here and two buying areas have disappeared. Let us proceed. All the buying areas have disappeared, and here we can see for first time selling area has disappeared and new buying area has appeared. So price is likely to retrace again, come back in this buying area, and then we can buy. We can keep stop loss below this low on closing basis or below this low on price crossing basis. So if price crosses below this low, we will exit, or if price closes below this low, then we can exit. Let us see what happens from here. There is retracement and we can buy here. We can also buy on this candle because it is a bullish engulfing type of candle. It shows that price is reversing, so we can buy on confirmation, or we can buy when price crosses above this zone again. There are different entry patterns. So from here we can see price went above this high, so buyers are aggressive. Some profit can be booked here, but if we want to hold on for trend, then we have to wait as long as this buying area is intact. So some partial booking can be done here, or just wait and watch. Here with this vertical line day has changed. We'll see what happens next. There was some red area which was appearing, but it disappeared immediately. As long as blue area is persistent, we can keep holding. The selling is not very aggressive. We have new selling area which has appeared, but buying area has not disappeared, so it is not a bad sign. Again there is entry in the buy area. We can wait and watch. The day had changed, it could not go below this low and prices went up again. So this can be again a buying day. Price again came deep inside, it could not go below this zone. Now the selling area will disappear. We can see all the selling areas have disappeared, new buying area has appeared, so it is good sign. We can just keep holding. This is a retracement for buying, and again selling areas have disappeared. When the trend is strong and bullish, then selling areas keep disappearing and buying areas keep appearing. See, the selling area has disappeared again and it keeps going up. We can see that entry for buying was around 1900, 1890, and here we are near 2300. Now current trading price is 2300 and we can just keep holding. This is new buying area which gives us trailing stop loss. If price closes below that, we can exit. But here we can see there was entry and again big up move. Again big up move. From 1800 1900 levels, price has gone up by 700 points within 2 days. This is the latest price. If we want to keep holding for trend, the stop loss will be around 2270. If close is below this level, then one can exit. If there is another buying area which appears and price closes below that, one can exit for trend. There are no selling areas now and price is going up and up. So this is how beautifully it works. We can wait and watch as long as there is buying area. As long as new buying areas are forming, we can keep holding. When buying area disappears, we can exit. That is for trend following. And if we check for risk reward, risk was around 1890 to 1855, maybe around 40 points. If the 40 point stop loss is considered, then the target achieved is more than 15 times. This is significant risk to reward. This can be achieved only if we can hold for trend. Somebody may book targets at latest supply area and that will be end of the trade. Then big targets will be missed. To gain big targets, one has to hold for trend. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. If you want to test this tape reading tool, send me a message on my WhatsApp or on my Telegram. You can also post a comment using my website. This is my website, priceactionwithprashant.in. Thank you.